free delivery, any purchases over $3.96 or more. Delivery prices in addition, installation, haul away, removal, those would all be considered when purchasing. Usually it's going to be an additional $65. Can vary from regional and regions. Basic refrigerator design, Samsung, standard French door bottom, right at $1,800, and comparable to comparable designs for French door bottom freezers. Generally they're going to range anywhere between $1,300 and the mid-low end design to about $2,100 to your mid high end design, and can exceed to $3,500. For your French door bottom freezer designs. Industrial stainless steel is still the preferred and favorite design of purchase in refrigerator design. Prices usually will vary from model, design, and features. In your basic French door design, side-by-side refrigerator designs, generally they start off around $900 to $1,000, keeping in mind delivery and installation. You also have the water and ice options, which will determine pricing also. Contemporary is the favorite or preferred in French door design, though you can find them in and also in stainless steel. And your price will vary based off of make, model, options, and designs. Basic design, LED design, touchpad controls with a water filter, electronic control board, controlled environmental heat exchange, exchanging hot into cold. Bottom freezer designs. Generally, they can also, on your mid to low end design, they can start off right around $900 also. Additional pricing would be your installation, haul away, and ice and water feature if desired. All prices will vary from region to region.
Can we help you, sir?
I think I'm pretty much covered. I do appreciate your assistance. And most of your high-end design French door bottom freezers would be more or less options and materials, offering fingerprint, lighting, interior, variable speed, usually determine the pricing and options. Touchpad control, water and ice options. It can range to your mid high end range. Still being that French door bottom freezer is more common and desired. And then your French door bottom freezer combination design on your higher end, mid to high end ice maker, environmental controlled with its own independent cold control feature for Sub-Zero to develop ice cubes to dispense out the front door. Your mid-range refrigerator space saver designs. Common options is usually white and stainless steel. The price range of those start right around $500 for your economy space saver design. It's usually for single dweller apartment design apartments. Top freezer, bottom refrigerator usually is the standard.
Excuse me?
And then your stainless steel top freezer, space saver design. Prices will range and vary in options based off of height. Considering installation and delivery. And in most cases also offered removal. In terms of top load washers, in your mid to mid-high end, factoring delivery, haul away, and installation, common names usually sold, Samsung and LG. For your top load water efficiency designs. In terms of mid to low end designs, top load non-electronic control manual hand dials, they generally start off at around $398, not considering delivery, haul away, and installation. 5-speed electronic control door lock, basic hand dial, with purchasing of new appliances, always consider the extra costs of the delivery, haul away, and installation, which generally isn't no more than, I would think, $100. So it would be reasonable to add another $100 to the price that you see, unless special offers for a set amount of purchase for a free delivery is offered. In terms of your gas appliances, washers and dryers, usually gas appliances are going to be a bit more than your electric by $175. On your mid to low end, they usually start off right around $500 due to installation of your gas line. Washers are still competitively priced. Washers are still competitively priced, but due to the gas line that needs to be installed professionally to avoid any homeowner's insurance and liabilities. Dryers usually start right around $600